Well, good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. I hope you are going to have a fabulous Friday and a terrific weekend. Let's go ahead and get started with circle time. I'm so glad you're here today. Now, I did give it away. It is Friday, but it's the fifth day of Friday, or fifth day of June. Did you know that? Did you know it was the fifth day? Well, if this is the fifth day, what is tomorrow going to be? Six. That's right, the sixth day. And how about Sunday? What's Sunday going to be right here? 7. That's right, the seventh day. Now, I realized yesterday that we haven't been doing a pattern. So let's go ahead and do a pattern. But this time we're going to do an AABB pattern. So I have a sunshine. And then I'm going to have another sunshine. And then I'm going to put a sandcastle. And I'm going to put another sandcastle. So it goes sun, sun, sandcastle, sandcastle. What's going to go here? Sun. That's AABB, which means there's 2 of each one. Sun, sun, 1, 2. Sandcastle, sandcastle, 1, 2. Sun, what's going to go here? Sun, yes. Now, what's going to go for Sunday? Sandcastle. That's exactly right. Great job. I bet you can figure out what's going to go Monday. All right. What kind of weather did we predict today? We predicted sunny, and it is supposed to be very sunny today. And I heard that there might be rain in the afternoon. What about tomorrow? What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow for our first day of the weekend? Sunny, partly sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. I heard some cloudy weather. All right, I'm going to put it right there in our prediction square. Let's keep on going, and we're going to say our alphabet together. Are you ready? Are you ready to say your alphabet? All right, here we go. Let's do it in slow motion. Are you ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All right, now we're going to be the rabbit. We're going to go really, really fast. You ready? Here we go. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Now back to slow motion turtle. Q. Maybe sloth. R, S, T, U, V. Ready? Rabbit. W, X, Y, Z. Woo! Well, that was fun. Thank you. Are you ready to count to 15? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Excellent. All right, let's count back up from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. All right, let's take a look at our shapes. What is this? Triangle. This one? Oval. What is this one? Octagon. This one? Star. Awesome. Let's look at some colors. What color are the elephants? Gray. How about Celia Wheelia? Purple. The Oreo, my favorite. Black. How about Anger? What color is he? Red. Yes. Our nursery rhyme this week is Here We Go Round the Mulberry Bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush. I wonder if you would want to try this at your house and clean up singing this song.
Mulberry bush. Come on, guys. I'm so happy you're here. at a dance. Come dance with us. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our clothes, wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we make our bed, make our bed, make our bed. This is the way we make our bed so early Tuesday morning. This is the way we pick up our toys, pick up our toys, pick up our toys. This is the way we pick up our toys so early Wednesday morning. We make our bed on Tuesday, we pick up our toys on Wednesday. This is the way we scrub the floor, scrub the floor, scrub the floor. This is the way we scrub the floor so early Thursday morning. This is the way we fold our clothes, fold our clothes, fold our clothes. This is the way we fold our clothes so early Friday morning. We scrub the floor on Thursday, we fold our clothes on Friday. This is the way we sweep the house, sweep the house, sweep the house. This is the way we sweep the house so early Saturday morning. This is the way we bake our bread, bake our bread, bake our bread. This is the way we bake our bread so early Sunday morning. We sweep the house on Saturday, we bake our bread on Sunday. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. Ready for a treat?
So yummy. Wait, just a minute. There, all clean. Thanks for helping me clean up. It was fun.
Now let's eat. Which one do you guys want?
I kind of want to eat all of them.
All right. Our letter we are working on is the letter G, but we have already learned how to write the letter F and L. Try it again. L and F and E and H, T. We learned how to write I and U, C, O, and Q. Next week, Mrs. Hill is going to review L, F, E, H, and T. So we'll practice those letters so that we can review them, so we'll remember how to write them. Our letter this week is the letter G. That's right. And G says G, G, G for gumball, gorilla, girl, and gum. G, G, G. Let's see, gumballs. Gumball. So let's make the letter G, but first we've got to sing about where we start this letter, so let's stand up. Here we go. To start 'em at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Here we go. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. It's the top, no, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Here we go, Oz. top. Now we're going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Is this the bottom? Reach out and touch the bottom. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. These stretchy letters at the top. These stretchy letters at the top. These stretchy letters at the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Here we go. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Awesome. All right. We are making the letter G today. So we need our mats with Mr. Matt's smiling face. And we need a big curve, a magic C. Now remember that saying, magic C looks like it swallowed the letter T to make the letter G. So we're going to grab our little line, put it at the edge, little line down, and then little line across. Ready? Let's say it together. Big curve, little line up, little line across. What letter did we make? G. And what does G say? G, G, G. Awesome. One more time. Fingers at the top. And we say big curve, little line up, little line across. What letter did we make? G. And what does G say? G, G, G. Awesome job today, friends. Thanks for joining me for our Friday Circle Time. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, a fabulous Friday. And Mrs. Hill will see you back here for Circle Time on Monday. And I get to read my favorite stories. I'm so excited. Wait until you see what they are. See you soon. Bye, everyone.